Why are you this paranoid, man? When did you?
Is this really paranoia?
Look,
is
man,
it real? Let's think realistically here. Is this paranoia?
The way you live in, it just sounds like something's wrong.
This is nothing.
This doesn't sound sexy at all. Like, I enjoy these kind of conversations, but it just doesn't sound sexy to live like this.
I don't live like this.
Healthy paranoia, but you're gonna kill somebody.
I don't live like this. I don't drill. I don't, go through things. I just am prepared so that if I'm in a situation where there's a home invasion, all I could think of when I hear of a home invasion is the fact that whoever is being invaded and that phone cord's around their neck, or the daughter's being assaulted, or the wife is, and the husband's being pistol whipped, is the one thing that guy is saying, and I know it, is, God damn, I wish I had a gun. I wish I had a gun right when those mother effers walked in that door. I could have defended my family.